Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to be making my fabulous tasty flapjack recipe. I hope you're going to enjoy it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. For this you're going to need oats, sugar, butter, small bit of ginger, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, cranberries, some squidgy condensed milk, golden syrup and a tiny little bit of salt. First thing I'm going to do is use one of these lovely squidgy things of golden syrup. I'm going to weigh out the golden syrup. This is easier to do it this way. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Such a lovely colour. I love golden syrup. When I was little, I used to sneak into my mum's pantry with a spoon and take a spoonful out. My mum must have wondered where all her golden syrup was going. Next I'm going to add some soft brown sugar. Now the butter. And last of all, I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. That's 1, 2. This just gives it a nice flavour. Now I've got it all in the pan, I'm going to put it on a low gentle heat until the butter and the sugar have all melted into the golden syrup. Now we've got the golden syrup and the sugar on the pan warming gently, I'm now going to add the rolled oats. I'm going to put in a little bit of salt, not much, just a little squidge. Pinch of ground ginger, just adds a little bit of a zing. And here's the healthy bit, the pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and the cranberries. I love cranberries, they've got a really lovely sort of sour taste. Now I'm just going to get my hands in here, I'm just going to mix it. There. And that's it. That's your dry ingredients done. Now that the syrup has all melted into the butter, it's really easy. We're just going to pour it into the dried ingredients. And now all you do is mix it in until all the oats are covered. There we go, all mixed in. All we have to do now is put it in a baking tray. This is a tray, just a tray bake tray. I've lined with baking parchment, and to make it fit, all I did was screw it up, put it under some cold water, shake the water off, and then it makes it fit into the tray a lot easier. It moulds into your corners. I can't remember where I found that trick, but it works really well, so it's a lot easier than trying to line properly. All I'm going to do now is squidge it out into the corners of the tray until it's all in. And then I'll level it off. You need to press this down quite firmly because you want it all smooth on the top. There we go. And that's it, all done. I'm just going to pop that in the oven at 150 for 20 minutes because we like them nice and squidgy. If you like them a bit crispier, add another 5 minutes. Now the flapjacks have come out of the oven and you've left them to cool for about 10 minutes, they're ready to slice. I'm just going to slice them up into about 12 pieces. Well, that's it. That's how you make my fabulous flapjacks. I hope you enjoy them. I'm going to enjoy them with a nice cup of coffee, so I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.